I was a kid, my mom told me how to let go from everything. Find your inner peace, that's what she told me. 'Cause nothing comes for free. Whenever I feel like I'm all alone, I'll find the glory deep inside my soul. And I'll fight for my passion in life, give everything I have in me, and break into the dark. I'll break into the dark. I'll give everything I have and everything I have. I'm one step closer to the light. I'll break into the dark. I'll break into the dark. Deep underneath your skin, there lies a new sin. That's life we're living in. But I'll be standing strong and all the fights I've lost. 'Cause that's just who we are. Whenever I feel like I'm all alone, I'll find the glory deep inside my soul. And I'll fight for my passion in life, give everything I have in me, and break into the dark. I'll break into the dark. I'll give everything I have and everything I have. I'm one step closer to the light. I'll break into the dark. I'll break into the dark. No, I'm not gonna give up. Oh no, not gonna give up. I'm gonna give it my all. Rise above the ground. No more looking down, and shine. And break into the dark. I'll break into